Good morning and welcome to the Homestead. As you can see at the beginning of our video, we've started boiling down the sap today. So I'm just going to show you kind of a quick setup. It's definitely not professional. It's, lacking in so many ways, but it works for us. If we end up stepping up our production and tapping more trees, then we will probably have to kind of upgrade our boil down setup too. But anyways, so we got a turkey. Excuse the mess of the barn. We're in the barn because it's toasty in here. So we got a turkey cooker, like a propane turkey cooker. We have two of these, but we're only running one right now because Dave has gone out to get some more propane. And then in our lovely wood stove in the barn, we have, so these are like those like food trays, like that you can get at like, not that you can get, but it's like the food is in it at like buffets and stuff. Like it's in like a table, like a warming table. I totally forget what these are called, but this is what they are. And so we just got them on top of the fireplace and we're just feeding it, trying to get as hot as we can. And yeah, that's our setup. So, come along with us and we'll kind of show you the journey and we'll try and make it not as boring as what it actually is, because actually it's like 8:30 in the morning right now. And, we're facing down probably the next 12 or 15 hours in here doing this. So, anyways, yeah. So hopefully the next time I pick up the camera will actually be further ahead, and it's like nothing's really started boiling yet, so it doesn't really look that exciting. I'll show you when it actually starts evaporating. So the evaporation process has started on the propane over here, and then, but over here on the fireplace, because the fireplace got hotter faster, we got some evaporation. It's really hard to see, but some evaporation action. I just put a couple more logs in there. There, you can kind of see it, like, I hope you guys can see that. Anyways, started evaporating. Stay tuned. How's it going?
Seems to be getting cooler outside.
Yeah, it feels like it. Oh, it's boiled down a bit.
It's boiled down more though. You can put your fan chair over closer to the fire if you want.
Okay.
I had to come over here because I was cold.
Oh. So an update on the great maple sap boil of 2024. We have, so we had 2 of these metal bins, and we boiled it down so it's just 1 full one now. And we've topped up this one and this one so they're full again, but they had just like gone down quite a bit. So anyways, we're getting there. And I was just kind of doing a rough calculation. I think we're gonna have 2.5 liters of sap just from this week, but this week was really crappy for collecting sap. Like, sorry, 2.5 liters of syrup is what I'm saying. We have, so I think we had 97 liters of sap. Anyways, sorry, I just wanted to explain that. So we're probably gonna have about 4 or 5 jars from this week, but this week really sucked for collecting because there was like a couple of days where it was too cold and it wasn't really flowing. So, and today it's not really flowing, so maybe next week we'll have more of a collection, but not bad for the start of maple syrup season.
But really, it's not half. There's enough here.
Adventures in the sugar bush. It is dark and we are still boiling. Dave just brought some into the house, and we're just trying to see if we can finish it tonight or if we're going to carry it on tomorrow. Anyways. So now we are finishing inside. I always finish on the stove because it's a little bit easier to control it, because if it gets too hot it'll suddenly be no good. So this is just kind of the best way to monitor it, and I only do this when it's so close to being done temperature wise that we bring it in and we start. So we'll be at this for a while.